Yeah. So let us
Okay,
write.
sir.
Good evening, all of you. 2, 3, 5, 9, 17, question mark. Just 5-6 minutes later, madam will join. Madam will take the class. So tell me, what is the answer, Arvind? Do you want options also? I will give. Everybody, Prasini, Akshaya. Yalini.
Sir, no option is correct, sir.
No option is correct. How? It's not. Please check it. Akshaya. Tarani. Padmavarshini. Anybody can answer. Arvind. So now you see. So now 2 become 3. What is the possibility? Anybody? 2 become 3. What is the
One. One, sir.
So that is only the possibility. So this one we have to add. Now 3 become 5. What is the possibility? 2. Yes or no? Please tell me. Next 5 become 9. What is the possibility? Only adding plus 4. So now you may understand here. Now 9 becomes 17. What is the possibility? Plus 8. So have you noticed it? Every time it is becoming double. 1 become double. 2 become double 4. 4 become double 8. Now you may understand. So now 8 become plus how much? Double 16. So 17 plus 16 how much? How much?
33.
33. That's all. So that is the answer. Are you understand? Please let me know, everybody. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now one more question I will give. Later madam will continue. The second question is, please write. Let me see who will say 2, 7, 12, 17, question mark. Arvind, try to answer. 17 question mark 27. So please answer fastly.
Sir, 22. 22.
22.
22, sir.
So 18, 22, C 19, D 23.
22, sir. 22, sir. 22. Sir, 2, 7, 12, 7. The 7 is last number.
Which is equals to 12. Next one. 12 plus 5, which is equals to how much? 12 plus 5, 17. Correct or not? So 17 plus 5, which is equals to 22 will come. So answer is 22. That's all. So let it be. For today, only these 2 questions is basic. Now madam will continue the next chapter. So please all of you carry on.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Today we will discuss.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today we will discuss new chapter, that is probability. 15th chapter.
Okay, all of you write. You can start.
Ma'am, probability, ma'am.
15th chapter, chapter number 15, probability. First, what is probability? What is probability? Suppose our daily life example, today it may get rain or not. We don't know, correct? This is the uncertainty. Okay, it may come rain or not. Today it may come rain or not. This is the uncertainty, correct? Uncertainty. Uncertainty comes under probability. Suppose in your exam, maths exam, how many students got more than 90%? How many students got more than 90%? Say anyone, how many students got more than 90%? We don't know, correct, exactly? Please respond. How many students will get 90%? More than 90%. Do you know? Don't know. Don't know. Correct? Exactly, we don't know. These are the chances. Suppose 10 students got more than 90%. Some students got, suppose 20 students. For example, 20 students got more than 90%. We don't know exact number. These are the chances. Chances. Chances are comes under probability. Uncertainty and chances are comes under probability. So what is the probability? Definition. What is probability? Probability is possibility.
Chances.
Possibility. Meaning is possibility. Right definition for probability. Definition. Definition. All of you write definition. Probability means possibility. It deals with the occurrence of random event. Occurrence of random event. Random event. And the value is expressed from 0 to 1. What is probability? Probability means possibility. It deals with occurrence of random event. What is random event? See, for example, first case, today it may come rain. Here rain is our random event. Do you understand? Please respond. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here random event is rain. Next case. How many students got more than 90%? Here students marks a random event. Second case. Do you understand? So probability formula
Yes,
is probability of any event. This is very, very important formula. See, probability of any event is equal to, it is represented with probability. First letter is P, correct? P of event first letter is E. P of E. Probability of E, which is equal to number of favorable outcomes. By total number of outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. What is probability of any event? P of E is equal to, what is the formula? Say anyone.
Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes.
Okay. Now, see. Suppose coin, you toss the coin. For example, you toss the coin. Coin has how many faces? Take 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin.
2 faces. Head and tail.
Yes, head and
tail.
tail. Two faces, correct? One is head, one is tail.
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 So, what is the probability of head? What is the probability of head? Suppose you toss the
1
coin.
by 2, ma'am.
Sometimes you get head, correct? Sometimes you get tail. What is the
Ma'am, 1 by 2, ma'am.
Yes, 1 by 2. Favorable outcome.
2, ma'am.
See, what is the formula? Favorable outcomes. What is our favorable outcomes here? In this case, head. How many heads? How many heads? Only one head.
1.
So total outcomes. Total. One head,
Two.
one tail. Two heads. So 1 by 2.
Head and tail only, ma'am. 2.
What are that again?
Head and tail only, ma'am. 2.
Yes, yes. Head and tail. Two outcomes. Total outcomes. Either head and tail. 2 outcomes. Possible outcomes are 2, correct? That only we take 2. Is it clear? Suppose what is the probability of tail?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Favorable outcomes are tail. We want tail. And total outcomes, head plus tail. 2 outcomes. 1 by 2. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? Ask me. Any doubts? Padmavashini? Prahasini?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose I will ask one question. See here. One red color ball, 2 black balls, and 3 green balls. What is the probability of getting a red ball? This is the one basket.
1 by 3, ma'am.
Yes. What is the probability of red ball? P of red. What is the probability of red ball? 1 by 6. Very good. See how many red balls? Favorable outcomes are 1 by total outcomes. Total outcomes, how many balls total? In basket we have red balls 1 and 2 black balls and 3 green balls. Total how many balls? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3? 6.
6.
1 by 6.
Everybody involved, Ra. If not understanding, ask now itself. This is most important.
Ma'am, please tell us.
See, Ra, this is one basket. Okay, in basket we have 1 red color ball and 2 black balls, 3 green balls. Okay, what is the probability of picking the red ball? Pick the red ball. So what is the probability definition? Probability of any event equal to favorable outcome by total number of favorable possible outcomes, correct?
Possible outcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Favorable outcomes are here red color. How many red color balls?
1 ball.
1 ball. 1 by total balls? Total balls. 6. 1 by 6. That's all. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose probability of
Girls answer Tarani, Padma, yeah.
probability of black ball.
Harini
Black.
involved. Black ball, now tell the probability of black balls. Anybody?
2 by 6.
Probability of black.
2
Ma'am, 2 by
black
6,
ball.
ma'am. 3, ma'am.
Yes. Say who said
Ma'am, 2 by 6
by
is
6.
equal to
2
only
by
3,
3,
ma'am.
ma'am. 1 by
2
3, ma'am.
black balls total.
1 by 3.
How many balls? 6 balls. 2 by 6.
balls.
Right, simplest form. 1, 2 ones
By
are
3.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Very good. Next, what is the probability of green ball? Green balls.
Ma'am, 1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by
1 by 2.
Yes,
1
1 by
by
2.
2, ma'am.
Which one? Oh, green balls. Green balls are 3. Total balls are 6. It is 3 ones are 3 twos are. It is 1 by 2. Okay. Do you understand this question?
Ma'am.
Anybody having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Next, suppose 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. What is 1 by 6 value? It is 1 by 6. It is in between 0 to 1. Correct? This value in between 0 to 1. Is it clear? 1 by 6.
Ma'am, 0.16, ma'am.
Listen, probability always will varies from
0 to 1.
That's all. That is you have to
See,
remember.
1 by 3 value. What is 1 by 3 value? 0.333. It is in between 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1. Is it clear, everyone? Suppose next one, 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2 value? 0.5. It is in
0.5.
yes, in between 0 to 1. Probability of any event in between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This is very, very important question. Probability of any event. Probability of any event between 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to P of E. Probability of event less than or equal to 1. This is the range of probability of any event. Do you understand? Remember this one. Probability. What is the probability of any event? In between 0 to 1. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Till here, any doubt? Ask. Okay? Suppose probability of 0. Suppose we get probability of any event equal to. It cannot be happen. So sometimes probability of any event equal to 0, it is called impossible event. Names are very important. Impossible event. Impossible event. What is probability of? What is the probability equal to? Probability of any event equal to 0. That is called impossible event. Okay, see one example. One example. One example. Suppose you're rolling a one die. Rolling a die. Die has how many faces now?
6, ma'am.
6 faces.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
First face. One face containing 1. Next one, 2 numbers. 2, 3,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6.
5, and 6.
Suppose you're rolling a die. What is the probability of getting 1? You're rolling a die. Probability
1 by
of
6.
getting 1.
1 by 6.
1 by 6. 1 by 6.
How many ones favorable outcomes are 1? Total number of possible outcomes. How many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. Okay. What is probability of 2? Probability of getting 2.
2 by 6.
2 by 6.
1 by 3.
Ma'am, 1 by 3.
1
1 by 3.
Yes. How many 2's here? Only 1, 2.
1.
1 by. How many faces? 6 faces. 1 by 6. Is it clear? Not 2 by 6. 1 by 6 only. Okay. Next. Suppose probability of 6. Probability of getting 6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1
How
by
many
6,
here? 1, 6.
1 6.
1, 6 by 6. 1 by 6. What is the probability of 5?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. Probability of 3?
1 by 6.
1
1
by
by
6.
6.
Probability of 4? Getting 4? 1 by 6. Correct?
1 by 6.
Ask Rava, what is your doubt?
Probability 2. We want to 2 by 6 now, ma'am.
Probability of 2. How many 2's? How many 2's? Only 1, 2. Correct? Number of favorable outcomes are only 1.
Okay.
And total number of outcomes are 6.
6.
Okay? Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
What is the probability of 8? What is the probability of 8?
0/6, ma'am.
Here there is no 8. There is no 8, correct?
0, ma'am.
So favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes are 0. Total outcomes are 6. It is 0/6
0.
only.
Impossible event.
It is called. This event is called
Possible event.
impossible event. Okay, this is an example for impossible event. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay, next.
Note it down, all of you.
Okay, sir. Please scroll down, ma'am.
Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Probability of any event equal to 0 is called impossible event. Suppose probability of any event equal to 1. It is called sure event. Sure event. Say one example for sure event. Examples like eternal truths. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Universal truths are comes under sure event. Sun sets in the west.
West.
Next, say eternal truths. Earth revolving around the sun. Correct? Earth revolving around the sun. Say some eternal truths. These are the sure event. These are the examples for sure event. Sun rises in the east. We have only one possibility. And how many outcomes? Favorable outcomes also only one. Okay? So it is sure event. Do you understand this one? Eternal truths. Eternal truths are sure events. Sure events. Any doubt? Karthikeyan, any doubts? Aravind?
No, ma'am.
Next. Tarani, any doubt? Nitinath?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next. What is elementary event? Elementary event. Elementary event. What is elementary event? First, what is sample space? We already know sample space. 9th class, we already discussed it. Sample space. What is sample space? Suppose you toss the coin. How many possibilities? You toss that coin. How many possibilities?
Possibilities,
Two
ma'am.
possibilities. Head or tail. Correct? The set of possible outcomes are called sample space. Set of possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. Possible outcomes are called sample space. Here we get head or tail. Two possibilities, head and tail. So, set of head, comma tail. This is called sample space. Okay. And here, what is the sample space? Rolling a die. What is the sample space in this condition? In this case, what is the sample space? Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sample space for rolling a die. Is it clear, everyone? Favorable outcomes, possible outcomes. Our outcomes are sample space. Set of outcomes are sample space. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For tail, ma'am. For head and tail.
For head and tail, sit down. See how many possible outcomes are. Tossing the coin. How many favorable outcomes?
2, ma'am.
2. What are they?
Head and tail.
Head and tail. The set of. Set means flower bracket. Okay. Set of head, tail. One time we get head, one time we get tail. The set of
Tail.
possible outcomes are sample space. Okay. Is it
Okay.
clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what is elementary event? Now, what is elementary event? An event having only one outcome. Only one outcome. See here, head and tail. Here, H is called H. H means head. Head is elementary event. And tail is one elementary event. Is it clear? Next comes to rolling a die. See, here one is one elementary event. Outcomes, single outcomes. 2 is one elementary event.
Elementary.
3 is elementary event. 4, 5, 6. Individually, they are elementary events. Is it clear, everyone? Suppose the sample space. Suppose you toss the 2 coins. You have 2 coins. First coin, head. Second coin, first coin head and tail. Second coin head and tail. You toss the 2 coins. How many outcomes we have? First coin shows head,
2 outcomes.
not 2. See, second coin also shows head. One time. This is one possibility.
Outcomes, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
Outcomes, see outcomes. Outcomes are, suppose you toss the 2 coins now. 2 coins. 2 coins at a time. One coin shows head. And second coin also possibility, head. And first coin shows tail. Second coin shows tail.
Tail.
Tail. And first coin shows head. Second coin shows tail. These are the possible outcomes. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
sample space? Any doubt this one?
If not understand, ask again. See, if you'll toss the one coin, what is the possibility of getting head draw? Only one head, correct? Or one tail. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now, at a time you are tossing the 2 coins. 2 coins means how many heads will be there? 2 heads will be there, 2 tails will be there.
Yes, sir.
So, if you toss one time, maybe both coins may get head and head, or else both coins may get tail and tail, or else
Tail
first
and
coin may get head, second coin may get tail, or else first coin may get head, first coin may get tail, second coin may get head. So what is the total sample space?
Sample space
What
is
is the total
set of
space, sir?
outcomes. Correct?
So what is the total set of outcomes right here? How many possibilities?
This is
4
one.
possibilities.
Four possibility.
You
H,
understand?
head.
Do you understand that? Totally 4 possibilities. Is it yes or no? Either head and head can come, tail and tail, or else head and tail or tail and head. Is it correct? Please tell me. So what is
Yes,
the total sample space here? How many total possible outcomes?
4.
4. Correct. So that is what. That's all. That is what is
Sample
called as
space
sample
is
space.
set of outcomes. Head, head.
Say, speak.
Tail, head. Next tail.
Tail.
Next
Head to tail.
head, tail. This is the sample space. What is elementary event? Elementary event. And even
Ma'am,
has
head-
only one outcome. Only one outcome.
Each one is in the elementary, ma'am.
What? Elementary.
Each one is elementary.
What Karthikeyan? Which one is? Set of outcomes are sample space. Your voice is not clear.
Karthikeyan, voice is not clear.
Elementary only.
Send message.
Hey, chat to Sendra. What is your voice is not clear?
No event happened now.
Okay, carry on. Next. Sorry.
See, what is elementary event? Single outcome. First outcome, head and head. Correct? This is one elementary event. Next, tail head. This is one elementary event. Yes. Head tail, this is the elementary events. Is it clear? Sample space and elementary events? Everyone?
Ma'am, if single means elementary event and group means sample space event, ma'am.
Yes. Set of outcomes means sample space. Individually, single outcomes. Single outcomes are elementary events. Do you understand? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. What is complementary event? List.
Ma'am, many event.
Complementary event? No. Here, complementary means negative, not. Complementary means not. Okay? Complementary not. Ask Ra.
Ma'am, that the elementary, each single elementary is that cannot understand.
A single possibility. Suppose see head and head will come. That alone is called as complementary event. Understand, Ra?
Elementary event.
Elementary event. Suppose tail and tail only come. That is called as elementary event. Or else head and tail will come. That is called as
Your
outcome. Your coming outcome is called as elementary event. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Start again.
Suppose you toss the coin
Okay, sir.
one time, you get a head. That is a elementary event.
Pranav, respond, Pranav. Do it.
What is complementary event? Complementary means not. Suppose probability of complementary events represented with E bar. Bar means not. Probability of not E. It is probability of complementary event. Suppose you toss the coin. This is a coin. Coin has head and tail. What is the probability of not getting head? Not getting head. Say anyone. It is represented with
1/2.
of H bar. What is your answer? Who said
2/10, ma'am.
1/2, ma'am.
yes, 1/2? Who said that answer? 1/2 is correct answer. Very good. Probability of not getting head is 1/2. How can you find probability of not getting head? It is, remember this formula, very, very important. Probability of event plus probability of not event represented with E bar equal